What's good with y'all boys, man? Hold on, let me make sure we record. I ain't did this in a long time. Hold on. Let me fix this right quick. We good? Is this super view? Okay. I'm gonna bring y'all up just a little bit. Alright, what's good with y'all boy, man? It's your boy Zell back doing another video. Y'all already know. Did POV. If I put a clip in at the beginning of the video, I just put on BBK long tube headers with a Cat X pipe, because my last headers that I had, I was just running into a whole bunch of issues with exhaust leaks and stuff, so I ain't even wanted to keep on dealing with that. So we got BBK, as y'all can hear. I don't got my mic on, so I hope y'all can hear me. We just gonna go on a couple back roads, do a couple pulls, stuff like that. But this whole time I was just trying to fix my car up with all these little simple minor problems, such as the exhaust leak. I was gonna get a tune for y'all. I was about to do a whole bunch of stuff, but now, as y'all can see, we got the header, so you know what I mean, had to pay a quick little penny for that. But anyways, Charger was just messing with me. I don't know if y'all seen that. He looked at me. I don't know if y'all can hear with all that air, but he looked at me and then he started like gassing. I'm gonna give y'all a couple pulls. This joint definitely sound different from the H pipe. Like, I see what everybody mean. Like it's not as deep of a growl as what the H pipe had. I don't like how this camera is. I did my first pull, when I had to make sure everything was right, it definitely felt like a major difference, like it got faster or something. This Kia Soul is following me, but I don't know what they're trying to catch up with me. Giant camera on my head, like it just definitely feel different. I ain't gonna lie. But it is quieter though. I did notice that, like it's not as loud as my H mic, because I didn't have cats on it. I should have looked for a catless X, but it's all good. I didn't want my car too loud, and eventually I can, gut my cats and everything like that. Don't mind my fingers, because I just got done putting these headers on. Just got done putting these headers on, and this is like the test drive after that. But it took me, I'll say 2 hours from yesterday, and it took me from about 7 or 8 until I'll say about 5. I'll say 5. So it took me a little minute, but this is the fastest I ever done it. Last time I did it, it took me like 2 weekends because I didn't have the proper tools. I'm gonna show y'all what the car look like too. Ain't too much of a difference though. But we got 33 minutes. I ain't gonna talk y'all head up. I'm gonna let y'all hear what the car sound like. I thought I was pulling in the Walmart. I was about to pull in the McDonald's. I still got my pops, but it ain't as loud as what they usually be. I'm sitting here trying to think, like, what do y'all see for real? I ain't recording in a long time. It definitely sounded deeper because the factory H pipe was like 2.5 inches, I think. It was definitely way skinnier, and this is like way deeper now. So I do like the deepness, but it's actually higher pitch though. That's the difference. It definitely get way rowdier though. But I know it's gonna be rowdy once I take these cats off. I ain't thinking about that right now though. We just got the headers to be destroying them to get them out. I could buy catless egg though. Oh, my trunk is open. I forgot about that. There is an exhaust leak though, still, but it's because of me. I just wanted to take a checkpoint for today that I got them on, but I'm gonna fix it tomorrow. Most definitely. I can kind of hear it, but not really. It's like real subtle. There go my pops. I'm gonna give y'all a pull on the interstate. Don't sound that bad though. It just sounds like more high pitch. It don't sound that bad. Our boy got me cutting up on the interstate. I ain't cutting up, I'm just doing pulls. I ain't even trying to do that dangerous for real. I'm just doing a couple pulls. Pull down shit. gear only. That's what it was.